Today's recipe is zucchini fries. Zucchini is in season now and abundant in the garden. It's high in vitamin C, A, K, and the B vitamin. If you're looking for new ways to make zucchini, these zucchini fries are a nice, quick, easy recipe. I have my oil heating in the pan. I'm using regular vegetable oil. You want to make sure that it's really nice and hot but not smoking when you place your zucchini in the pan. We're going to add the zucchini that I've sliced into sticks, and we're going to place them in the beaten egg wash to coat them. And then we're going to place them in a separate dish where I have my breadcrumbs, my garlic and onion powder, salt and pepper, and a little Parmesan cheese. We're going to make sure that they're all coated nicely and ready to be fried up in the pan. I've sliced these a little thicker than you would regular French fry potatoes, because the centers of the zucchini are a little soft. And as they cook up, you don't want them to get too soft. And you can see the oil is starting to bubble a little, and that's just perfect. We're going to place them in the pan. And you want them to layer the pan with room around each of the sticks so that they brown nicely. As everything starts to fry, you want to keep an eye on them and cook them on each side for about 3 minutes, just until they're nice and golden brown. The zucchini is starting to brown nicely. I'm just going to let them cook a little longer. You don't want them to cook too long or burn in the pan. You just want to get that breading a little crispy. And here they are, all plated up. They don't take long to get nice and golden brown and crispy. We like to serve them with some fresh lemon wedges, but you could also use a ranch dip or a chipotle dip that you might like. Usually, everyone's waiting for these at the stove when I make them. That's a delicious little way of using all of your fresh zucchini. And the cheese gives it a nice, crunchy flavor.